Okay, this is one of my Teespring stores, and here you can see I made $76 in just one day. I sold 13 t-shirts, and today I'm going to show you one of my main free traffic sources that I use to promote my t-shirts. And actually it is Pinterest, but stay with me, this method is a bit different compared to the method that other people here on YouTube are showing you. So you must watch this video very carefully. So obviously, first thing you need to do, you need to design your t-shirt, right? So let's just say, for example, this is the t-shirt that I designed and I wish to promote this t-shirt. As you can see, this is in a dog niche. Now, second thing we need to do, we actually need to make a pin. Now, for that, I'm going to use Canva, and actually I'm going to use a free version of Canva because I'm guessing that most of you don't have money to invest. So here, I will simply search for Pinterest, okay? Okay, Pinterest, pin, okay? And here I will choose actually 1080 with 1920. Now the reason why I use this one, because I wish to take as much as possible of real estate, because the more real estate I actually take, the more people will see my pin. That is why you wish to use this one, okay? You wish to use these dimensions. So I'm actually going to scroll here and click on create from blank because I wish to create my own pin. So what I wish to do, I actually wish to make a pin. So I will use this quote here that I used on my t-shirt, as you can see here. I will use exactly the same quote. And we actually need to make two pins. And later you will see why we need two pins. This is the first pin. So what I need to do, because this is a dog niche, so what I need to do, I need to click here on elements, and then here I simply need to search for dog and press enter. And here I need to click on photos because I need an image of dog, okay? So I can use one of these images, so let me find the best one for me to use. So let me just go through these images, okay? So for example, let's just say I wish to use this image here, okay? I will make this to fit to my template, something like this, okay? And I'm going to do something like this, okay? This is a cute dog. So what I need to do, I need to click here on text and I will use one of these text styles. So for example, let's just say I will use one of these, let's just say this one here. Of course, you will use different text style. So I will simply double click here and delete it because I don't need that. And here I will add my quote. And I'm actually going to optimize this a bit to make it fit to my template. And I'm going to make this smaller, something like this, okay? Actually like this. And actually I'm going to make this center, something like this. And I'm going to move that here. And let's just say I wish to use white letters. So I will click here and then I'm going to click here. And I will actually add some effects. So let's just say something like this. And here I will actually click here and then choose this and then this, okay? Just to make this a bit more visible, this text here to be a bit more visible. And actually I'm going to make this to be larger, this text to be larger, something like this, okay? And I'm going to make this to be on center. And actually I'm going to click here and I'm going to click here and I'm going to increase line spacing, something like this, okay? And move this a bit lower. And this is my pin. So what I need to do, I need to click here on share and then I need to click here on download and then I need to choose here PNG. And then again click here on download and download this image to my desktop. Like I said, this is the first pin and your first pin should be quote. And if you don't know where to find these quotes, you can simply go here on Pinterest and then click here and just search for dog quotes, okay? Dog quotes. And here you can find there is lots and lots of dog quotes. Now you can find quotes about real estate, workout, women's rights, whatever you want. You can find lots of quotes here on Pinterest. Just search for quotes and you can use those quotes. So what we need to do first, we need to upload our first pin, and that is the pin of our t-shirt. So I will click here on create and then click here on create pin, and now I will upload an image of my t-shirt, and this is the image of my t-shirt. By the way, I used Placeit to create this mockup, okay? And you wish to optimize this pin because you wish to get as much traffic as you can, and you will create another pin so you will get double traffic. And here you can see how this pin looks. And here you can see they actually recommend pin size. Now this pin is not the right size, but doesn't really matter. Of course, if you when you start making these pins, you will make a pin of recommended size, as you can see here. And like I said, this is the pin that I created, and this is the pin of my t-shirt. So what I need to do, I need to optimize this, and then here, this is important. Here where it says add a destination link, I need to paste a link to my Teespring store, to my Teespring t-shirt, where I'm selling this t-shirt here, okay? That is really important. And all I have to do now is just click here on publish, and that's it. I will publish this pin. But we are not done yet. We need to publish another. We need to publish our second pin, and that is really, really important. So what you need to do, you need to click here on see it now. And this is our pin. Like I said, we need to upload one more pin. So click here on create, and then click here on create pin and open it in new tab. And then here I actually need to upload the pin that I created in Canva. And this is the pin. As you can see, this is the pin. A dog is an angel without wings. And now it is really, really important to optimize this pin because you wish to get as much traffic as you can. And actually, I will not show you how to do that because in one of my previous videos, I showed you how to properly optimize Pinterest pins. I will leave you a link in the description to that video. And this is really, really important. So what you need to do next, you need to click here on tag a product. And then you need to click somewhere here. So for example, let's just say here, okay? And then click here. And now when you go here on URL and when you paste same URL and then click here, you will see they cannot fetch images. So what you need to do, you actually need to click here on your pins. And here you need to find your pin. So you need to click here and then you need to click here on all pins. And this is my pin that contains a link to my Teespring store. And then click here on save product. And here you can see they added a pin. So now I actually tagged my product, another pin that contains link to my Teespring store. So when someone click here on this image, it will be taken to this pin here, and from this pin it will be taken to my Teespring store. Bit complicated, but trust me guys, this works. So what you need to do next, click here on done and then click here on publish, and you will publish this post. And trust me, this is 100% legal, and you need to upload pins like this every day. And you will start getting clicks, you will start making sales. Now this kind of traffic is free, but it doesn't convert that well, but it doesn't really matter because like I said, if you upload pins every day, you will start getting clicks, you will start making sales, even if you're an absolute beginner, even if you don't have money to invest. This is 100% free way to promote your Teespring t-shirts, to make money with Teespring and print on demand. That's it for today guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.